Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your LG washing machine to Wi-Fi. First, make sure your LG washing machine is plugged in and powered on. Next, grab your smartphone or tablet and download the LG ThinQ application from your App Store. It's a free download and essential for this process. Finally, double-check that your home Wi-Fi network is up and running smoothly, as a strong connection is key for a seamless setup. Now, let's get your washing machine ready for connection. Locate the Wi-Fi button on your LG washer's control panel. You'll need to press and hold this button for about 3 seconds. Once activated, you should see the Wi-Fi indicator light on the washer's display start to blink. This blinking light signifies that your washing machine is now in pairing mode, actively searching for a connection. With your washer in pairing mode, open the LG ThinQ app on your device. Tap on the Add a Device option, usually found on the main screen. The app will then guide you to select your specific LG washing machine model from a list. Follow the clear, step-by-step instructions provided within the application to finalize the pairing. This typically involves confirming the connection and naming your appliance. Once the pairing is complete, check your washing machine's display. The Wi-Fi indicator light should now be solid, indicating a successful connection. You can then test the remote control features through your ThinQ app, like starting a cycle. If you encounter any issues, try restarting both the LG ThinQ app and your washing machine. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve minor connectivity glitches, ensuring a smooth experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.